Stream flow is going to begin as precipitation or runoff. So there's a bunch of different places it's going to come from. In this image, we show a bunch of different ones. So you have melted snow. So in a place where there's snow, you can melt it, and that's going to feed the streams. Swamps and puddles collect water on a flat land, and the water can drain into the stream. Some water is going to infiltrate and become part of the groundwater system. That's going to flow underground and maybe recharge the stream. Water also is going to hit the ground and just run along the ground, and that is sheet wash flow, and that can run over the land and eventually get into the stream. Some rain or snow precipitation is going to fall directly into the stream, and some of the water that enters the stream is going to be in that upper, we call it the vadose zone or the unsaturated zone when we're talking about groundwater. And that layer of water can flow towards the stream during a rain event. Okay. The sheet flow, sheet wash, let me just turn myself off here. Okay, am I off? In the image here, the sheet wash is going to hit the ground and run along the ground. Eventually, it can come together into a little channel. And these little channels, they're called rills. These small channels are rills. They can start to deepen, and they'll get a little bit more permanent over time. The rill deepens, and then those can coalesce into tributaries. So a little tributary, all the tributaries coalesce and become the trunk stream. All of this happens again over time. Eventually, a stream will form, and it'll have some longevity to it. Let me turn my face back on. Oh, nope. There I am. So here, this is like the image that we saw in the intro. A stream is running through these sediments here, and there is headward erosion. So each of these individual little side canyons or side tributaries is going to have its own little watershed, and that watershed is going to feed into these tributaries that are then going to come together and form the main trunk stream here. Headward erosion just means it's erosion towards the headwaters of the stream. So over time, those tributaries get larger and larger, and they're going to merge into the trunk stream. And yeah, there's the trunk stream going down the middle, the tributaries coming in, groundwater maybe feeding into that stream, and water infiltrating here.